Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So good to have you here and thank you for stopping by. Today we are making beans stew with fried plantains. This is a delicacy in Ghana that's widely enjoyed, so let's get right into the recipe. To begin, I soak my beans for quite some time. You can do it overnight, but then I soaked it for about an hour or two, and then I just put it on fire. I'm going to cook this until it softens up. I also diced one onion to add to the beans. I've realized that this helps the beans cook faster and also add some flavor to it. I don't add salt to my beans when I'm cooking it. I do that when I'm making the stew. That way I'm able to regulate the level of salt in the stew. I'm going to kickstart my stew by blending some onions, peppers, garlic, and then some tomatoes. The beans is all ready now. This took about 35 minutes. Now let's start the stew. I begin with some palm oil and then cured fish. Now the cured fish is totally optional, but then like I always say, it gives it a very nice taste, a distinct taste. Like it has this umami that, when you add, you'll enjoy it. So if you don't mind, you can add that. I also add my tomato blend at this point. I'll season it and then I'll leave this to cook for a while. Now the seasoning cube is the last form of seasoning that I do for this stew because I already have the cured fish and it's quite salty, so I don't even add salt from this point on. These two are enough for my bean stew. I also added some canned fish and tomato sauce to my stew just for a nice kick. Sometimes I'll do tuna, smoked tuna or smoked mackerel, but on this day I wanted to use this, so feel free to use whatever you want. You can actually even do it without the fish and it will still come out very good. Once the stew has fried for a bit, I add the beans to it. I don't let most of the water evaporate from it because I want the beans and the stew to cook together, and then thicken up. So that's what I do. From this point, I'll just leave it to cook for about 10 more minutes and then that's it. The stew is done. What I love about this meal is the fact that it's very pocket friendly. You don't need to break the bank to be able to make this, okay? One sure way to enjoy bean stew is with fried plantains. And one thing about me, I never burn my fried plantains. No way. I detest burnt fried plantains, so I'm like a hawk whenever I'm frying my plantains. I keep an eye on it and they always come out so beautifully. You can also pair this with some cooked white rice. It goes really well with it. It's all done now. See how it has thickened so beautifully. Add just a bit of gari to mine. You can have this for breakfast or for lunch, and it always kicks the rice pot. You've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so grateful for the views, the likes, the comments. God bless you so much. See you in my next one. Bye.